Hi, this is Ms. Kalaman, and I am going to show you how to input your schedule into our scheduling template if you have an 8th grade Model 3 template. You will know if you have a Model 3 template because in Model 3, you start your day with English and math. They can be math first and then English, or English first and then math, but you're always going to have them in a Model 3 at the very beginning of your day. The first thing you want to do so you can edit and actually input your schedule is to make a copy of the virtual template. You see, I have already done that. I have the copy here. So now I can start typing and filling it out. I use the snipping tool and I actually brought my schedule onto the page so it's a little easier for me to see and input it. But if you would rather have it in a separate window or print it out, that is fine. Whatever is easier for you. So the first thing we're going to input is homeroom, which is every day 8:45 to 8:55 in the morning. Here I can see that my homeroom is with Mrs. Keene. So I'm simply going to type in here and write Mrs. Keene. I like to use the wrap text feature, so it's all on one line. Next, period 1, 2, 3. You can see that period 1, 2, and 3, it's the same, whether it's odd days, which is what the D1 stands for, odd days, and even days. So whether it's an odd or an even day, you meet every day for this class, which is honors geometry. So this means from 9 to 9:50 every day, I have honors geometry. Next, starting at 9:54, period 4, 5, 6, if I look here, and it's every day, I have ELA 8, accelerated with Mrs. Walters. So next, as I am in period 7, 8, these are split in the middle here. So it's important to note whether this class is on an odd day, which is the top part of our schedule, or an even day, which is the bottom part of our schedule. So if we look at 7 in the odd column, period 7, we have Intro to Spanish. And again, I'm going to use that wrap text feature because I like it all to fit. There we go. So that means on odd days, I have Intro to Spanish. But on even days, so my even column, if I go down to 7, I actually have PE. So on even days from 10:48 to 11:20, I have PE in this model. Lunch is the same for all students, so 11:22 to 11:56, so we don't need to put anything there. Then we would move on to period 9, 10. So period 9, 10, again, this is a class that is odd and even. So if we look at the left-hand side, period 9, it is facts. So facts is a class we know is a block class, which means it's not just period 9, 10. It goes to 9, 10 and 11, 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to merge these cells because I know that this is actually all one class. There we go. And I'm going to type in facts. I'm also going to put that in the middle. There we go. So facts. So on odd days, I have family and consumer science from 11:58 to 1:06. However, on even days, 9 even in this schedule, I have chorus. And then 11 even. So not odd, even over here we have art. Which brings us to period 14. So here, again, this is a block schedule class. So period 14, 15, 16, and 17 are all the same class. They are all science, accelerated science, and you have them every single day. So this is another course. We can merge all of these. There we go. We know we have accelerated science every day from 110 to 220. And now we have inputted all of our classes for our schedule.